What's up, guys? Jensen here with Florida Fishing TV. Today we are checking out a new spot. I've been to the spot before, but I've never actually got to fish it. It's on a like nature preserve. It's like a walking and biking kind of trail. There's like 4 or 5 little lakes right there, all right next to each other. So, like I said, I walked out there one time before, and it looks like an awesome fishing spot, man. So, hopefully, get out there, get on some good fish, and do the damn thing. Alright, folks, we are almost there. We have to park out here, and we got to walk the rest of the way. So, let's get going. Alright, so I started the day off throwing a Senko, wasn't having much luck, so I decided to switch to this buzzbait. It's been a while since I threw one of these. The sun's starting to come down, it's nice and calm out here, seems like it's perfect conditions for it. So let's see if we get on some fish with it. Yeah, alright, that's a good one. Come on, baby, come here, stay on, yeah, that is a good fish there, baby. Alright, yes. Come on. Oh. Alright. Oh. There we go, man. What a nice fish. God, I hope you guys saw that blow up, dude. I've been fishing here for 15 minutes or so. I caught a little dink. Now that is a good fish, man. These fish are healthy over here. Whew. I don't know what they eat around here, but this guy's got some sharp teeth for a bass. But wow, take a look at that. Nice fish. Ah, there you go, buddy. Yes. Yeah, man. There's nothing better seeing a nice big bass blow up on some top water. There he is. There we go. Ah, I lost him. Damn it. Whew, I should have gave him an extra second. Gotcha. Oh yeah. Oh, small guy. Small little guy. Oh my God. Wow. Who would have thought a fish this small could even hit it, huh? Wow, look how tiny he is. Poor little guy. Alright guys, well it is now getting dark. I did not bring a light, so it's about that time to head on back. Man, what an awesome day. Awesome day of fishing. We caught that one good one. We had a couple good blow-ups, a couple dinks. So I'm psyched to come back here. Whoa. You can't really see on the action cam, but possibly a gator there. Something big just came up to the top of the water. Oh. So, yeah, gators start coming out. That's about my cue to leave. Thanks for watching.